What are the visuals which we have created till now in the custom visual where we should be able to see that visual which is created in this? So in this video we will see how to package this and how to import. So we do have this file which is there, and we do have whatever distribution this folder is there is one file where one package where whatever visuals which we create, once we package it, it will be stored here in the dist folder. There is icon means whatever the icon means, if you wanted to change something icon or of that particular visual, that we can change. I for now I'm just keeping this same. And now what I will do, I will just create a package for this. For that, before doing that means, let's try to give some this pbivij.json file which is here. Say my custom visual display name may be test custom visual, and let's try to do that. Let's just save this. Coming to the command prompt here, in this you can see means I'm in the project directory, and I will just type pbiviz and then package, and just click on start. Now when we do this, it will start building the visual. Now you can see there are some errors coming, which is author email and visual description is not specified. So let's try to correct it. So here we need to give some description. This is first custom visual. The support URL, maybe we need to give something which is, and then there is a author name, and name is ABC. Email, I'm just specifying a one test email. You can see icon is specified this assets of icon.png which is used. If you are keeping something else, then we can change that its path from here. pbiviz, I'm going to do it again, and package. You can see this is the package is created here, and there are no errors. Let's try to see it. It should be in this. Now you can see, if you see, this is something which is got created. Now this custom visual which is got created, this package, and now we need this to be available in the Power BI desktop. So how to do that? Here I have just imported one sample data, and I will just do this file in files. You'll go to the import Power BI visual file, and from here it gives an warning. So this is fine, it is my custom visual. So I'll just go to this in the dist folder. I do have this test bar chart. Let's open it, and this is successfully imported. Now you can see means this is something which is available here. If you just click on here, you can see this is just added, but if you just want to assign some data, it will be assigned to that. This is how it works. This is how we can package our visual from Visual Studio, and then from there we can use this in Power BI Desktop. I hope this is helpful for you to understand the end-to-end process of the creating custom visuals, like means how we started from the start and how we ended up creating a package and importing it in Power BI Desktop where we have used it. And this is the end of this module.